my master bathroom house to home series. Today I am getting ready to put my flooring down on my floor, and I showed you the before already, and this is what the tiles look like. It is like that fake gray marble, and these are the pick and peel. So I kind of laid out some. You may have probably spotted them in some of the videos earlier. I found this indoor outdoor carpet adhesive is what I'm going to use, so it will lay down. I won't get any peeling, and I have my grout. So I'm going to do one on the camera in real time, and then I'm just going to put you in time lapse because this is going to be really tedious, and I don't want to have such a long video to upload to YouTube. This off, the paper on the back, and that is really sticky. My gloves are sticking to it. We're peeling that off, and any extra paper, you know, just take off. Except like this little piece right here, and this is really, yeah, this is a good adhesive, but I'm going to add extra to mine. Now my big self is going to be all up in the camera, so I'm going to try to get good angles as I can. I'm back. That was a lot of work just for these 11 tiles that I put down. But I am seeing my vision. Now, these last two I did not put that adhesive on because these things are really sticky. And I'm also noticing with these, it's not drying faster. So I have to wait overnight and come back in. Now, as far as the toilet area, I will not be completing that part because, as I mentioned in one of my videos, I am going to be getting a bigger toilet. That's it for day one. Really only have to do like the border going around and all the way up over there, and then these pieces, and then I can get started with the grout. So I have my fan blowing in, so hopefully it will get the ones that I did use the adhesive on, get that dried overnight. And I will see you tomorrow. Alright, y'all, I started doing all the little odd cuts and everything about 5:30 this morning, and it is now almost 7:45, so about 2.5 hours. It was very tedious, and I will never do this again. Not because of the work. I enjoy doing stuff like this. It gives me satisfaction to know that I did this, but I will be getting a professional when I go to do my kitchen floor, and only because me getting up and down has really hurted my knee and my back, and being on this hard floor for 2.5 hours, it was just, oh, it was scary at some point where I didn't know how I was going to get up off the floor. But anyway, this is what it's looking like. I am super happy with it. There's no grouting done yet. So I do see errors, of course. I've never worked with this type of towel before, and my cuts are not straight, but I think that's what gives it its little part of me. And I think also once these tan lines are grouted, I should see a big difference. Now, this is the grout that I got, and it's in the saddle gray. Well, y'all, I finally got it grouted. I did it in the same day. I just went and took a break and came back and just did it, and I forgot to turn the camera on. My apologies, but if you need to know how to grout, you can always just Google it and probably find a professional video to show you, you know, how to do it. It's not dry yet, and I added some little silver glitter to my grout, just little specks of it. You can see, I doubt it though. And like I said, this part's gonna drive me crazy until we get that out of here. But I can actually vision it all the way done. I'm just telling y'all, you know, if you start this project, just have some patience. I do suggest the spacers. I'm really not too thrilled with this big gap going down the middle. But I do keep rugs on my floor anyway. So, hey y'all, I'm back. Now, in that last clip, you saw the reveal of me finishing the floor, and I had did it in that gray slate grout, and I was not really happy with it, and I didn't want anyone to go behind me and do this type of flooring and they had the same results, unless, you know, they really cared for the gray. So what I end up going out to Lowe's again, and I bought the vinyl tile grout in the bright white. And look, y'all, now I'm happy. Because I was like, oh, I don't like this. But I just got done almost 2 hours re-grouting it. And you can rewind the video after you watch it full first. This, you could not even see the imperfections that I had in the last segment. That gray really showed you your errors. Now it is just one even flow. And I even got the light on the camera showing y'all. Now y'all know about this piece right here because we're working to get the toilet done. So we're not focusing on that. But bam! Now I like it. If y'all could see me looking like Don King with my hair standing up with the gray streak. But I am loving this. This is fabulous. Yes. I'm about to cry because I've always wanted something like this. I tell y'all, God is good. Alright. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my new marble peel and stick tiles. And I've re-grouted with the bright white. Drop down in the comment section. Make sure to leave me a lovely comment if you're new to the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, fabulous family, for always coming over and watching me. And y'all know, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I will put all the information to try to link up the tiles and the grout, etc. I believe I only paid under $60, and that's with the, no, let's see, probably 44 and 20, about 65, because I had to go back and buy another grout, and that was my fault. So this project should only cost you about $55, and I will try to put everything down in the description box. If you have any, questions, always feel free to message me on Facebook. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Bye-bye.